What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video by Giving PGP Family. Hello guys, welcome to a new video by Giving PGP Family. Today we will unbox a birthday gift for me. I'm very excited to unbox this. So let's start. This is a Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2. This is a production from Xiaomi. So let's see what I got. So I got a smart app which you can use to connect the smart app with your scooter. I got a multifunctional control panel. Okay. I got a 45-kilometer long range battery. I got 30 wax motor, maximum 300 wax motor, maximum 600 wax in output. So it have even an electric brake and a disc brake. Okay. It have a shock absorbing inflatable tire. It have aviation aluminum alloy frame. Okay, I think this is for here because they said something about the frame, so I think this is about this. So let's start to unbox it. So guys, I'm really excited, really excited. So let's unbox this. So let's go. So here's a thing how to do this, to screw this, blah blah blah, and so. But let's come to the real thing, to the scooter. So guys, it has here this screw to screw the things in. How we can see, plus 5 screws. It has even here the wheel, so extra tire. Okay, let's go. Extra tire. It have a charger. This is either nice. So what's either here in? Junk. It have the papers.
What's it called? The manual.
Manual.
How to fix it.
Oh, this is really thick. So
it has the extra tire, Allen key, charger. And also it has you have some so we'll try to reach to it now. This is the extra tire that came with it. There's an extra tire in case you have problem with your tire. You can change it. And the battery. Wow, this is a manual, right? English version, Dutch, France. So you can actually access all of this. So guys, let's try to pull it out from the carton. It's very heavy, so we have to be very careful.
yeah. Oh, okay. I couldn't even pick it up.
So guys, let's.
Oh my god, it looks so precious, and the design.
So let's get it out, guys.
Yeah, let's get this out.
Yeah. Now we have Xiaomi. Screws are here. So.
Wait, is it on?
Well, yeah, I think you put it on. Put it off. So let's see if we can.
Okay, I offed it.
Yeah.
So let's bring this.
Let's see if we can connect it together.
How we are doing this now? Try it.
I think this is our key. Then.
Okay. So let's now. Oh, sorry.
So while we on, so while we set now. So from the top, how many keys do we have?
We have. From where? From the top.
So what's the other key to screw it? Just cool.
The other key is somewhere here down.
So you have the. Let me fix it.
Yeah.
Good, cool. So get the key. Hold it, let me get it. Hold
Okay.
it. Where's the other key? Somewhere here.
This is epic.
So see if you can screw the other key one after the other first. Then screw it in first. Screw it in first. Screw it in.
Okay. Let me screw. Okay, let's go.
And your other key is there. Can you guys see it?
Find the other key.
Okay, so that's the other key to screw the nuts from the. Scooter is so nice. Has red rim tires.
That's the design.
Has a nice design too, and it has a good brake system, which you can use at any time to help yourself. In the back lights. Then let's see if we can. When we finish it now, we can actually connect the other lights, which is in the back. So we have five screws, né?
Yeah, 5 screws.
5 screws to put it together so we can get.
Let's put this in. Let's go.
Look at the design, very nice. Follow the caution and instructions how to work on it. Hold on, let me see what you're doing. So let's see if we can. I think we have to screw them at the same time. We have to screw them at the same time. So that's why we're not getting it right. So we have to try to screw them at the same time so they can go, the other key can go in. So have to go at the same time in. Same time in, so going now. I think the first one is you have to make sure it goes in very well. I think it's better now.
Yeah.
So guys, that is it. So let's show you guys how to on it and
So actually my dad already on
this
it.
out.
It's already on. Let me just put this here.
So this is for sports. The other one,
Well guys, I go out,
that's the light,
on.
right?
on.
And the brake light. That's the brake light for you guys. It's on now. It's off, right?
Yeah, and when you press long, it goes off.
It goes off. So
And when
you
you
have to hold
press-
it down.
What's actually this for?
So we have, that's the light. This is for when you want to just take a walking, that you can see it there from the walking there. The other one is so you run faster a little bit, then that is for sports. If you're doing sports. So guys,
So guys, if you like this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up and share this video. Bye! And click on the notification button. Bye!
so thank you for being there. Every video will have teach you some other lessons about how to fix your stuff when you get it. So thank you for being there. So bye bye. Take care of yourself.
Bye!